you want to play hard for the fans because you don't want to disappoint them. You know, you want to give them a win. Everybody comes to Arnett or whatever gym to watch us play, and we definitely don't want to disappoint any of the fans. Feels good because there's a lot of people watching, and plus the fans is always right behind you. So parang ayaw mo matalo dahil, you know, the fans is always supporting and they're always watching. So ayaw namin mabigo sila.
Kapag magkasama sila sa hardcourt, kampante sila na kaya nilang manalo kahit kanino, kahit saan, kahit kailan. Ang kanilang run-and-gun style of play kasama ng never-say-die attitude every game ang nagpalapit sa puso ng mga loyal fans ng Barangay Ginebra sa kanila. Kaya naman hindi nila iniinda ang sakit at pagod. Mapanalo lamang ang bawat laro.
I think it's our style, the way me and Mark play. We both like to get up and down the court every time we get a chance. You know, we're fast breaking, and I think that appeals to the fans. They like to see that run and gun type, you know, play. But I think over the years we've gotten a little bit more smarter instead of, you know, going 105, 104 like that. You know, if we don't have a clear lane to the basket, you know, we pull it out and run the offense. Pareho kaming attitude and everything off the court and outside the court. In the game, lagi kami takbuhan, you know, lagi masaya. Kami na lang kasi we don't worry about anything. You know, talagang laro lang kami. Parang nasa stage ka lang, naglalaro ka lang sa park. And that's how we think. So we think, alike.
Hindi lamang sa loob ng court ang tandem nila, as Helterbrand and Kagiwa are best friends off the court.
Me and Mark's been playing since, 2002? We've been playing together. And ever since the beginning, it's always been it's like we've known each other for a really, really long time, even though we just met. You know, we've been pretty good friends. Like, he's my best friend in the PBA, so playing with him, man, it's really fun. I see him in practice every day. I get tired of looking at his face, but you know, it's cool. I'm really glad to be his teammate. At sa totoo lang, when he got injured, we fell down, and I know him. Talagang matapang siya, and I thought he was gonna get back up. But then when I saw him, and then the stretcher came out, parang, oh my God, you know, parang may pagkakalagyan kami nito. Kasi with him on the team, parang, and I don't think about anything. I think about lagi kami mananalo dahil, you know, he's here, and magkasama kami. And basta pag magkasama kami dalawa, you know, I think may pupuntahan yung team.
Walang plano ang dalawa na sirain ang kanilang tandem as they hope to don the Barangay Ginebra jersey hanggang sa magretiro sila sa PBA.
I don't know, I couldn't see myself, you know, even playing for another team. I've grown here. I've been through ups and downs here at the Barangay Ginebra organization. So if I can, or if we can, we'd like to stay together for, you know, the rest of our time playing here in the PBA. Hopefully with Ginebra. Forever. Yes. Jay, I just don't want you to get injured because it's like it's a different feeling when you're not on the court. So I hope you just stay healthy and just keep drinking milk so your bones won't get weak. I love you, man. Mark. So I say, man, good luck in in the rest of your career, and I'm gonna have you back no matter what. Love you, man. Good job, man. Watch out for the fans. Watch out for the viewers. Only here in the PBA. Yaman, Yaman.